Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, in the last class, we have completed one chapter. So, today we are going to start a chapter. I will give you one hint. Okay, ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you have a document in which you have to find some words. What you will do? Will you go through each and every word?
No, ma'am.
Then what you will do? Tell me. Then what you will do?
Ma'am, something option will be there to find a word replace with.
Is there any option like that? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If yes, tell me the option.
But ma'am, I didn't know the name of find.
Fine, excellent, Hadi. And what if I want to replace a word from my document? Is there any option for that?
Yes, ma'am. Replace.
Replace. So today what we are going to learn?
Find and replace.
Excellent, brilliant students. Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay. Yes. Write this. Chapter 7, find and replace. So in this chapter, we are going to learn how to find a word from a document. Along with that, how to replace that word. So if you want to search the entire document, we have to simply use the command, file command. Is it over? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the spelling of replace?
R-E-P-L-A-C-E.
Okay, R-E-P-L-A-C-E. So we are going to discuss about find command. So all of you take your rough book and write down the spelling of command. No need to write anything else. If we want to find a particular word or phrase, we will use this find command. Okay, this will be useful when we are working with large files, which means the document which is containing more pages. At that time, it will help us to find a particular word from our document. So you have to write the spelling of command. So what is the spelling of command?
C-O-M-M-A-N-D.
Excellent. Along with writing, you have to write the spelling also. So if you want to find a particular word or phrase, we will use this find command. So today we are going to learn how. So if we want to search the entire document, we have to simply execute which command? Find command. What if? Yes. What if you want to search only a particular selected area at that time? What we have to do? First, we have to select that area, not the all documents. First, we have to select that particular area. After that, we have to go with the find command. Okay. Is that clear? If you want to search the entire document, we will select the document. We will go with find document, find command. And if you want to just limit our search to a particular selected area, we have to select that area first. Then we have to execute which command? Find command. So now we are going to see the steps. How? Okay, so here you can see the option find. Can you see this option find?
Yes.
Yes, when we click that, here you have to enter the text that you want to find, and if you want, you can highlight that word also. Is that clear? Shall I show you the practical? Ready for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first it's my turn. So I'm going to share the screen. Let me take the word first. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just locate the command? Where is that find command? Here. Can you see this?
I'm on the top.
Yes. On the home tab, you can see this command find. So what is the shortcut key? Here you can see in the bracket Control plus F. Note down this. Note down this. Shortcut key Control plus F. On the board you can see CTRL plus F. Okay, so from this text I want to find the word it. So what I have to do is that press this. Okay, just press this command. Here you can see. Can you see this navigation? option on the left side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am going to type, I want to find the word it. Okay, see? All the it words from our document has been highlighted. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, if I want to find the word my, I have to type there my. See, all the words my has been highlighted in my document. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. So, isn't it very easy? Yes? Okay. So, what if I want to replace that? What if I want to replace that? If I want to replace a particular word, what I will do?
Replace button.
Which button?
Replace.
Replace button. So, first we will discuss about replace button, then we will do the practical. So, now we are going to learn about replace, how we can replace the existing text. Ready? Yes. Near to that find option, you can find the option replace. So, what is the shortcut key? Write down Control plus H. Write down the CTRL plus H. So, you have to write like this. Write first replace, then put an arrow, then write Control plus H. So, what is the shortcut key to find a text?
Control plus F.
Excellent. Control plus F. Excellent. Yes, dear?
Because of some network issue, I joined late.
It's okay. We have just started. Okay. So in today we are just discussing how we can find a word from our document, how we can replace that. So now we are going to discuss how to replace a word. So for that, when you click that option here, you can see there will be two options in which you have to mention the word that is to be replaced, and here you have to mention the word which is to be replaced with that, the word that is to be replaced. Okay. If I want to replace it with my, in the first option find word, you have to write it up, you have to type it there, and if you want to replace that it with some other word, we have to write here on the second one. Okay, and we can just go with replace all if you want to replace the whole word, which is if that word is on the document. Okay, so now we are going to see the practical how we can do it. Ready? Yes. Okay, so where is the option, replace option?
Near to the next be changed style.
Yes, near to this. Here you can see, isn't it? So when I click that, what happened? What happened? See, I want to replace all my, this word with, which word I will choose? Hello. Okay. See what will happen. I want to replace all the word my with hello. So see, yes, 8 replacements will be there. See, I don't know whether you have noticed. First it was hello here. Hello, my school. It was my school. Did you observe that?
Yes.
It was my school. The heading was my school. Now it has been replaced with the word hello. Is that clear?
Yes.
I'll show it once again. See, I am going to replace the word school with my. Okay. So first I have to go to replace option. What word I have to type here? Which word I have to replace?
School.
Yes. So I'm going to type here. Yes. Now I want to replace it with which word? My. So I have to type here my. If I want to replace all the word, then I will go with replace all. Then yes. Okay. So here you can see the change. See, school has been replaced with all the word. Here you have seen it was school there. Okay. Then it has been replaced with my. Is that clear? See, it was school here. Okay. It was school here. It has been replaced with which word? My. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now just raise your hand. I will be calling only 2 students. Okay. So those who are ready, just raise your hand. I will go with the one who's coming forward for the first time. From girls, I would like to call, Hazel. And from boys, I would like to call Niran. Niran, are you ready?
Ma'am, after that can actually.
Wait. Only two. Okay, only two. wait. Niran, are you ready? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you ready to show the practical after Hazel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hazel, share the screen. Take word and please be ready with a text. Okay. Others, please do along with it. Others, please do along with it. Do a trial. Okay. Do a trial.
Ma'am, do we want to take text?
Yes. You just type a sentence there. Take Emma's word. Type a line. Share a screen. Also, Niran, please be ready with your text. Others, please do the practical. Jayarik. Yes, Janvi, Sweden, Vedika, Stringa, Hazard, Niharika. Yes, Hail, Sribhadra, Adidev. Yes, do the practical. Kadri, Nadira, Parathana, Pranav, Athar. All of you do a trial. Type a sentence. My name is Hazel Jovi. Type like that. Okay, now all of you, those who are using phone, please listen to me carefully. Hazel, on down, you can see a small arrow. Click on that. Yes. Go down, go down, go down. Yes, go down. There you can see find option. Click on that. Yes. Now, if we want to find the word is, type there is. Search. See, that particular word is highlighted. Is that clear? And if you want to go with replace, near to that you can see an option, setting option. Click on that. Yes, there you can see the word replace. Click on that. Click on that. Yes. If I want to replace is with R, what word I have to type there? Yes, which word?
R.
R. Type there R. Very good. Now, go with replace all. If you want to replace all the is, click on replace all or replace. Yes. See, is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Niran, share the screen. Thank you, Hazel, for sharing the screen. Yes. Now, Niran, share the screen. Yeah.
Ma'am, next can I Sribhadra?
Okay, wait, Sribhadra. First, you just do a trial, okay, Sribhadra, just do a trial. Yes, Niran, share the screen.
Ma'am, after that can I chip?
Okay, wait. Where is Niran? Niran, share the screen. Unmute and share the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
When I was opening the word, it's not coming.
Okay, just share the screen first. Let me see. Take word. This is your mom. Hi, Niran, this is your mom. Unmute. It will come. Wait, it will come.
Yes, ma'am, that is my mom.
It will come. It is loading. Wait. Okay, let it open. After that, you can share the screen. Is that okay, Niran?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You can stop sharing the screen. Let it load. Let it open. No. Don't close that. You just stop sharing the screen. It will come. It will come. Yeah. So, on behalf.
Can I
Okay.
Sribhadra?
Wait. Vaishnav. Wait. Vaishnav.
Yes.
Share. Vaishnav, share the screen. Yes. I know that most of you are racing. What to do? Adi, did you do the trial? No? Do it right now. Vaishnav, share the screen. Okay, Vaishnav, if I want to replace the word is, what I have to do? Show me. What I have to do? Yeah. I have to replace. Not to search. I have to replace. So, replace with a word or. If you want to replace all the word, you have to choose replace all. Very good. Okay. So, here you can see all the word is has been replaced with which word? Which word? Which word?
R.
R. Excellent. Thank you, Vaishnav, for sharing the screen. Yeah. So now we are going to learn about header and footer. First, you just note down the heading. So, do you know, have you ever heard this word before?
Yes.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Header and footer. Yeah, let me see. Who's brilliant to guess the correct answer? No one.
Ma'am, header in the top and footer in the down.
Excellent. Where? In the table, or you are just comparing with the table? Page. Excellent. Excellent. So, as your friend told, so header is something, is a section of the document that appears on the top margin. So, all of you please write down this definition. Header is a section of the document. It is a part of a document that appears in the top margin. Okay, if this is the page and if this is the margin, it will appear on the top. Okay, you all write heading, isn't it? So header is a section of the document that appears on the top margin. Okay, so I will show you the figure of that. I hope you have written. No. Write down the definition. Yeah. When you come back to school, I'm going to check your lecture note, your rough book and all. Let me see whether you have written or not. So header is a section of the document that appears in the, where? On the top, isn't it? Yes or no? What happened? Yes. So, shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here you can see the example. At the top, header appears on the top. What about the footer? It has been placed where?
Down.
Down. Here you can see some text has been written. I will explain what is that. Okay. So here, what about footer? So it is a section of the document that appears where? On the bottom margin. In the bottom margin. Here you can see a page in which it has a bottom margin. Here we can write the text using this footer. So footer is a section of the document that appears where?
Bottom.
Bottom. If you want to write a text on the upper margin, we will use which option?
Header.
Header. And if you want to write any text on the bottom, we will use footer. Okay? Is that clear? Now shall we see the practical?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the spelling of bottom?
B-O-T-O-M.
Excellent. Margin?
M-A-R-G-I-N.
Excellent. Excellent. So here using this, do you know what is the use of this? Using this, we can it generally contains information as such as page number, date, and document's name. So using this, we can include the page number in our document. We can write date. We can write document's name. Okay, I will show you how. So let's see how to insert this. So in the insert tab, in which tab?
Insert tab.
So you can see the option header, and near to that you can see the option footer. Okay. Yes. When you click header, you can go through different options. So I will show you how. Okay. Ready for the practical?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So see, this is the screen. So in which tab I have to choose? I have to go to which tab?
Insert. Insert.
Okay. Could you please help me to find the insert tab?
At the top.
This one?
At the top. Yes.
What about header and footer? Where is the option header and footer? In which group? Here.
Header and footer.
Okay, I'm going to add header. Okay. So here, when I click this arrow, see, there are different options. Okay. I'm going with the first one. See what happened? A space came, right? Here, I can write, what I have to write? I'm going to write my okay, write as document 1. Document 1. So this header will appear to all the pages in this document. Okay. See, after typing that, I can close this header by simply clicking on this close button. Okay. So see, if I want to insert one more page, what will happen? Another in all pages, this header will appear. Okay. See, is that clear? So if you want to insert the header, what you have to do? Go to the insert, and here you can see the option. Okay. And instead of that, okay, what about footer? Click on that. If you want to insert any text on the bottom of the margin, you have to select anything that you want. Okay. Which option will, okay, do you want 3 columns, or do you would you like to go with 1?
3 columns.
Or this one?
3 columns.
3 columns. What you are going to write here? See, what we will go with A. Okay. What about this? B.
B.
Then
C.
T. Okay. So this will appear in all the pages in this document. Okay. So what if I want to insert page number? Here there are options. See,
Yes.
we can insert on the top of the page. It will be like this. If you want, you can use this one, or in the middle. If you want, you can use this one. If you want the page number on the right side, you can just go with it. Okay. If you want, you can also insert the page number on the bottom. See, there are different options. It can be on the left side. It can be on the middle. It can be on the right side. Which one do you want?
Ma'am, right side. Right side.
Bottom or up? First, you just tell me top or okay. Bottom. Which one? Right side.
Left.
See, this is my page. See where it appeared?
In the bottom.
Right side. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What if I want to insert? What if I want to insert date and time? Just click on that. You just select what you want, then click OK. See, date and time appeared. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you want to close this, if you want to remove, just go with remove page number. See, what will happen? Where is the page number now?
Gone.
Gone. Okay, if you want to remove the footer, just go with remove footer. Okay, click on that. See, everything vanished. And what if I want to remove header? Just go with remove header. And if I want to close this, just go with close option. See what happened? Back to normal, right?
Yes.
So if I want to make this page, in this page I want the page number, what I have to do?
Click on the insert tab, then page number option.
Which one do you want?
Ma'am, top.
Top one.
Yes, top.
Okay. So, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about our next chapter also. Oh, okay. Achid want to show. Let me go to. Okay. Wait. I will give you a chance. I will give you a chance. Let me explain it once again. So here you have seen. If you want to close this, you will go with this option, close header and footer, isn't it? If you want to enter the text, you will enter. If you want to enter any title to a document, you can enter using. If you want to write anything on the top, which option will you use? Header or footer? Header. What about bottom?
Footer.
We have learned how to insert date and time, isn't it? Here you can see the option. using which you can insert date and time in your document. When you select that, here we have selected this option, isn't it?
Yes.
And after at last we have to click OK. Yes.
Okay.
If I want to enter page number, I have to choose this option. You have seen different options are there. We can insert page number on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page, isn't it? And there are various options related to that also. Is that clear? So this is all about our next chapter. So now I would like to give you the chance. So let's raise your hand. Yes, Achyut. Yes. Who was calling me for a long time? Yes, Achyut.
Ma'am, can I? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Catherine. Catherine, yes, what?
Ma'am, can I change the color of the page number?
You just do the practical. You just come out with the idea, Catherine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I
To show you how. Yes, Catherine.
Ma'am,
Wait. All of you, please be quiet. All of you, please be quiet.
ma'am, I was just checking, so I can't remove this head.
You can remove this header
Ma'am, I
in the insert.
head. Ma'am, I removed it here, but it's not going. Ma'am,
This one at the last, you can see the close option.
yeah, ma'am.
Double click on that header. Close this. Yeah. Double click on that header option. Yes, it's gone.
Okay.
Is it okay? Show us how. Show us how. Others, please be quiet from where the sound is coming. Yes, show. Actually, they just go with the option edit header. Type something on that. Type something on that. Okay. Go with the option edit header. Type something on that.
This is for class, ma'am.
No, this is 4A. Now go with other options. Go to the header once again. Go to the header once again. Header option, header on the right side. Go with edit header. If you want, you can edit like this, or you can just double click on that. Okay, and go to the file. Go to the file. Okay, just try to change the color of that. See, someone was asking whether they can change the color. See, this is how you can change the color. Just select that text. Yes.
Asking we can change the color of the page number.
Yes, we can choose. Just select that text and just go with it. Okay, we can increase the size. We can change the color. We can do like this. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshay, thank you for sharing the screen. I know that most of you are eagerly waiting for your chance. What to do? It's already time. So that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.